Do you dream of financial independence? You're not alone. Imagine having control over your finances. The secret lies in setting SMART financial goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Understanding these elements can transform your financial journey. Let's dive into each component. First, your goals must be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $1,000. This clarity will direct your energy. Next, they must be measurable. Tracking progress is key. Set milestones to reach along the way. For example, save $200 every month until you have $1,000. Achievability is crucial. Ensure your goals are realistic. If you earn $400 monthly, saving $1,000 in 1 month isn't feasible. Adjust your timeline to fit your income. Relevance ties your goals to your life. Ask yourself, why do I want to save? Maybe it's for college or a car. This connection keeps you motivated. Lastly, goals must be time-bound. Set a deadline. For instance, aim to save $1,000 in 5 months. This urgency pushes you to act. Now, let's look at a practical example. Say you're a student wanting to save for a laptop. Instead of a vague goal, outline a SMART goal. I will save $500 for my new laptop in 6 months by saving $100 each month. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Monitor your savings regularly. Keep track of progress in an app or notebook. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Remember, the journey may have ups and downs. Stay flexible, adjust your plan when necessary, and always keep your eyes on the prize. In summary, setting SMART financial goals is empowering. Clearly define what you want. Measure your progress. Make sure it's realistic and relevant to your life. Set a deadline to inspire action. Ready to take control of your finances? Start implementing SMART goals today. Share your goals in the comments below. Let's encourage each other on this financial journey.